Good morning, it is September 9th. My name is Ashley and I'm a second year vet student at St. George's University. And for today I'm going to show you along this weekend on how I'm studying for my parasitology quiz on Tuesday. It's going to be extremely hard. I have a lot of lectures to get through to study for this quiz. Technically, I always consider these exams because they are worth a decent portion of our grade. But I am gonna get to studying once I get back from the grocery store. I missed the first bus, unfortunately, just because it was completely full. So I'm gonna try again at the next one. But I hope you do enjoy this vlog, and if you do want more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I do plan on showcasing what my life is like as a vet student more this term, and then for future terms. I got through about 5 lectures of parasitology already, but I wanted to quickly pop in and talk about kind of how the exam is going to go. For the quiz on Tuesday, it's a total of 20 questions in 25 minutes. So it's going to be extremely fast. But we have a total of 9 lectures of material to get through. It's not that big of an exam, but when you think about it, it is quite a bit of material because each PowerPoint is like 40 plus slides of information that we have to know. And for this time, we're learning about hookworms, roundworms, and whipworms in various different species. Like we've got the large animal, we've got the small animal that we're dealing with, and then a little bit of wildlife we've briefly touched on. And then, of course, we were talking about a little bit about the human impact, because quite a few of these parasites are zoonotic, so it's very important for veterinarians to know it. But it really shocked me when our professor told us that not a lot of human doctors get to take a parasitology course, so they always refer to veterinarians to figure out kind of what the zoonotic transmission is and how to prevent future reinfections. But that's kind of how it's going right now. With parasitology, I'm mostly just reviewing the lectures and I'm whiteboarding the information. Just find it's a little bit more easier to remember and understand if I'm like going through the different life cycles of the worms. I'm trying to figure out kind of what the eggs look like based on a picture that's not labeled. Because we will be tested on egg morphology and then the adult worm as well. Good morning, it is September 10th. Oh, goodness, I have my quiz in about 2 days, and it's crazy to think about. But this morning I am going to head to campus because I do have a PLG. It's a peer learning group for parasitology this morning. And it's taught by an upper termer for like an hour, just going over some practice questions, going over any questions that we have on the material. It's usually extremely helpful, so I'm gonna try and go and do that, and then I will be studying for quite a bit. But the session is all done. It went really well. I at least now know what to focus on for the quiz. But I'm just gonna head back to my apartment to get some food because I know that I can't really study effectively when I'm hungry. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but that's just how I am. So I'm gonna go home and then I will get back to studying. Good morning, it is September 11th. Tomorrow is my quiz, so I have quite a bit of studying to do today. I'm gonna go through a couple of different Kahoots that I found, and then I'm gonna take my practice quiz that I set up yesterday just to see if I can get those right answers, because some of the information is a little bit challenging. So it's important for us to know, because we have learned about a lot of different parasites that affect various species, so it's important to keep it separated. But I'm gonna start studying. My goodness, it's not even 7 o'clock in the morning yet, but I'm gonna get started, and then hopefully it's gonna be a good day with the studying, and even better yet, if I get an A tomorrow in tomorrow's quiz. I am back from the quiz and the lectures I had right after. Oh my goodness, it has been such a busy day. I had lab this morning that went pretty well. We were learning about how to draw blood from cattle and horses, and then learning how to restrain sheep and goats, and also doing like milking on a dairy cow. These were all sim models, so we weren't touching a live patient today, but it was kind of nice just to learn the techniques. But for the quiz, oh, man, it was really hard. There was a lot of information that I didn't think was super important that ended up being really important for the quiz. So we will see. I was really hoping for an A, but I think I may have gotten a B. So we will see. But for lecture today, I had pathology and clinical pathology, and both went pretty well. But honestly, I was so drained from the quiz that I barely paid attention. I really wish like our quizzes were at the end of the day, but it is just how it is here. That we end up taking a quiz before class, and then we end up going to class afterwards. But I am going to get some food because I have not eaten pretty much anything today because I was nervous about the quiz, and I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get some dinner slash breakfast slash lunch, and I am gonna go. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more. Have a great day.